We actually believe that amplifying human potential with AI is the best way for us to go forward, not have AI dominate, swarm us and consume us and suck the life out of us. I think that it works better when the humans and AI are working together. What we're seeing, so we're running these programs out in the market, and what we're seeing as we talk to people that come into our workshops, and then also people that are just in the market in general trying to figure it out, we feel that most people are either misusing it, i.e. they might be underusing it as well in terms of, what is the power capability for these platforms. But mostly it's misunderstood. And so what we find just in general is that between those things of misuse, underuse, and being misunderstood, it creates confusion, and the confusion kills the adoption. And that's where people kind of stop. They're a bit of a deer in the headlights, and then therefore they don't adopt to these tools, and then therefore they stay stuck. And it's so interesting because human behavior, people don't really like change that much, right? Yeah. And so when you go in and start learning about some of these tools, it gets uncomfortable because then you get taken out of your comfort zone, or you'll learn things and you get frustrated. We think the 50% haven't woken up yet to what's available. So they're not even using chat or Claude or Copilot or Gemini, whichever one of the tools. The next bucket we think is around 30%, which is people potentially with free accounts. They're playing around on the fringes. They're actually using chat a little bit like Google. So they're sort of transactional in nature in terms of how they're using the tools versus collaborating and deeply conversing with the tools. So they have a limited understanding of how to ask great questions. And then to get yourself out of that 80% and into the 15% and the last 5%, that's where there's a little bit of commitment that's got to come into learning the tools, learning how to use the tools, getting a little bit uncomfortable and moving themselves along to the right.